Welcome to Inner Alchemy. I'm your host, Joy D. Fanning. In this show, we are going to explore all the possibilities spiritually by using this tool of meditation. For me, meditation has allowed me to just kind of do a deep dive into my inner universe. And as I go within, I learn new truths, perspectives, and insights. This show is about teaching you how to meditate. For me, the biggest how is learning how to meditate. If you can do this, you would seriously, it's like you hold the golden key to unlocking so much. You're going to want to watch this show if you're new to meditation or if you just want to refine your practice. Each episode as we go through is going to teach us a new perspective, a new way of doing meditation so you can find your how, what works best for you, because I feel it's different for all of us. And there's so many different types of meditation. It is insanely crazy. So that's what you'll gain from watching this show, is this deeper insight into how to meditate and the different types of meditation that can help you go within. I can't wait to get on this journey with you and become these inner alchemists where we use meditation to just explore, learn, shift perspectives, and grow. I love you all so much. Namaste. Welcome! This show is called Inner Alchemy. I'm your host, Joy D. Fanning. Today we are going to talk about breathwork to get us kicked off with our meditation series. In this series, we're going to learn how to meditate. And today we're going to start with the simple practice of breathwork and do this meditation for 5 minutes. That's it. Okay, just to give you some background on breathwork. Meditation is defined as the act of giving your attention to only one thing. And so today, this one thing we're going to give our attention is simply our breath, our breathing. We're already doing it. There's nothing complicated about that, right? We're just going to put our focus on our breath. So breathwork is one of the oldest forms of meditation. We see it, it's as old as yoga. We see it in many religions around the world, and it had a kind of a revival in the 60s and 70s and then died down again. And now, just within the past 5 years, we've had a whole other revival of this specific form of meditation called breathwork. I got a list here. In the past 5 years, there's methods called transformational breathwork, transformations breathwork, integrative breathwork, radiance breathwork, alchemy of breathwork, biodynamic breathwork, the Wim Hof method, clarity breathwork, liberation breathwork, quantum light breath, and breath of bliss. Whew, yes. There's a lot of methods. If one of those really stood out to you, go down that rabbit hole, go dig it out. I personally maybe only know one of two of these methods, and I'm not qualified to teach any of them, but we're just going to do a simple breath. You don't have to follow one of these big methods to do breath work. They're very valid. You can go check out the science and the stories behind it and how it changes you, but to just start us off, and this goes with any type of meditation, just start small or short in length, okay? This is going to help you, one, feel like you're actually doing it, which is a big part of meditating, right? Hey, I did it. I spent 5 minutes, I meditated, and I feel calmer. If you watched episode 1, I told you at the end to get a journal. I would strongly suggest that. And as you're starting, write how you feel before you do this, and then write how you feel afterwards. I just think that's a great practice to use throughout this whole series and in your own life with meditation. So, yeah, here's how we get started, guys. We just want to either sit up in a chair, lay down, sit on the floor. The idea is to have your back nice and straight. So go ahead and do that while we're getting prepared. We want to just calm our bodies, move around till you get comfortable, close your eyes, and here we go. And if you do get caught in a thought, let my voice just gently guide you back to your breath. Not having any judgments here of ourselves, of anyone else. Breathing in that love, exhaling the opposite, filling in those spots in our bodies that need more love. Becoming aware of the air as it travels through your body. Breathing in, breathing out. Just letting your body breathe normally. It's normal rhythm. Alright, my beautiful spiritual seekers. It has been 5 minutes. Kind of bring your awareness back to your whole body. Open your eyes. Kind of feel the calmness now in your energy. Go ahead and write in your journal how you feel right now. And my challenge to you is to do this meditation for at least a week, 7 full days, and see how it goes. And then if you're really ready, wait for the next episode to come out, and you can continue this journey, okay? You can also join me in person. I do an intro to meditation course. I would love to have you join. Check out the links below to find that information. I love you all. You are so beautiful and blessed. Namaste.
Hey everyone, it's Joey again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the show. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. We'd love to hear your comments too. And if you haven't already, please make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss an episode from the Reality Practice Network. As I mentioned before the show, I wanted to extend an exclusive offer to you, the viewers of the Reality Practice Network. For all of you watching this video, you're undoubtedly experiencing an awakening and are searching for more explanation into the experiences you're having. Now is the time to explore who and what you truly are. For a limited time, you can now work one-on-one with your show host. Click the link in the description box below to start your journey, or learn more by going to MyRealityPractice.com/ascension and let your ascension begin. And remember to ask yourself, what reality are you choosing to create today?